Pip is the package installer for Python, allowing you to install and manage additional libraries and dependencies that are not included in the standard library. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding how to install and use pip is essential. This guide will walk you through the steps to install pip on various operating systems, ensuring you have the tools needed to manage Python packages effectively. Pip is a command line tool that simplifies the process of installing and managing Python software packages. It connects to the Python package index.py, a repository of software for the Python programming language, to fetch and install packages. Prerequisites before installing pip: ensure you have Python installed on your system. Pip comes bundled with Python versions 3.4 and later, but if you need to install or upgrade it, follow the steps. Visit the official Python website at python.org. Download the latest Python installer for Windows. Run the installer, open the downloaded file. Ensure you check the box that says Add Python to Path, select Install Now, or customize the installation as per your requirements. Verify pip installation, open command prompt. Type the pip version command to verify the installation.